So I'm here to tell you, if you have an issue with data recovery and you're not super techy, this is the program to get.
I would highly recommend using Stellar Repair. It was quick and easy and cost effective, and a very good product.
I would recommend Stellar because it has worked flawlessly every time I've run into a data loss issue.
BitRaiser has the best customer service, and a shout out to Abby for taking care of us whenever we get stuck. We're happy to be an authorized service provider for BitRaiser.
Got every single picture back. I'm just delighted. I advise anyone who has lost pictures to go to Stellar's website, buy the software. You will not be sorry. You will not have to worry about losing your pictures.
The service for creating such a great tool. I very rarely review anything at all on internet, but this is something worth mentioning.
So I can't say enough good things about BitRaiser and their company's performance, and I would suggest or recommend that anybody give them a try to see what they can do for you.
I was able to recover every single one of my photos. What a relief to have not lost some of the great shots I had taken that day. Thank you, Stellar, very much for saving my lost day.
I would definitely recommend Stellar software for data recovery purposes to anyone. So I do hope that you will never run into an issue like mine, but if you do, just contact Stellar.